Welcome to this demonstration of the Eventscribe Mobile App by Cadmium, designed to create unforgettable experiences for both attendees and organizers. With the Eventscribe app, attendees can easily navigate through event schedules, session details, and speaker information, all from their mobile devices. The user-friendly interface makes it simple for anyone to access critical information right at their fingertips. Attendees can view a detailed agenda and personalize their schedules by selecting sessions that they wish to attend. This ensures they never miss out on the content that matters most to them. Imagine a busy conference where attendees can select sessions based on their interests, whether they're looking for industry trends, networking opportunities, or hands-on workshops. Personalization empowers users to tailor their experience. Our integrated note-taking feature allows attendees to jot down important insights directly on presentation slides. This keeps their notes organized and easily accessible for future reference. User feedback shows that many attendees appreciate this feature, as it enhances their learning experience and helps them retain critical information. Audience engagement is crucial, and Eventscribe excels in this area. During sessions, attendees can participate in live Q&A, where they can submit questions in real time for speakers to address. This interactive feature encourages participation and fosters dialogue, making sessions more dynamic and engaging. Another valuable feature is the e-poster section. Attendees can access a digital library of posters presented at the event, complete with abstracts and supporting materials. This allows users to explore a wide range of research and topics at their own pace, even engaging with the authors through integrated messaging. E-posters provides an excellent opportunity for deeper learning and networking around specific subjects. The Exhibitor Showcase is a standout feature of the Eventscribe mobile app. Attendees can browse a full listing of exhibitors, complete with logos, descriptions, and contact information. This makes it easy for attendees to connect with exhibitors that align with their interests, facilitating meaningful interactions and networking opportunities. One of the key features of the Exhibitor Showcase is the interactive floor plan. Attendees can visually navigate the floor plan to find exhibitor booths, stages, and amenities. This intuitive layout enhances the overall experience by allowing users to plan their routes effectively and maximize their time in the expo hall. Networking is a key component of any event, and Eventscribe excels in this area. Attendees can connect with each other through private messaging, view public profiles, and engage in meaningful conversations. Another exciting aspect of networking within the app is the activity feed. This social networking feature allows users to submit posts, share comments, and upload photos during the event. Other attendees can interact with these posts by liking or commenting, fostering a vibrant community and enhancing engagement throughout the event. Stay informed with our push notification service. Organizers can send real-time updates and announcements directly to attendees' devices, ensuring everyone is engaged throughout the event. Imagine receiving an alert about a last-minute session change or a special announcement from a keynote speaker. This feature keeps everyone in the loop. Add an element of fun with our scavenger hunt feature. Attendees can scan QR codes at the venue, answer questions, and compete for prizes, driving engagement and interaction. One event organizer shared that this feature significantly increased foot traffic to their exhibitor booths, resulting in higher engagement levels. Eventscribe also provides powerful analytics and reporting tools for organizers. Post-event, you can access detailed insights on user engagement and session popularity, helping make data-driven decisions for future events. In summary, the Eventscribe mobile app by Cadmium offers a comprehensive solution to create unforgettable experiences. From seamless navigation and interactive features to powerful analytics and networking capabilities, Eventscribe delivers exceptional value for both attendees and organizers. Ready to unlock the full potential of your event? Contact us today to learn more about how Eventscribe can transform your next conference or trade show. Thank you for joining us.